He's turning his head. He can't turn his head. He's got to watch where he's going.
Right at the wave, that's what he's got to get.
Oh man, worries me, dude. He's on the second bar right now. I got past that next spot, but I couldn't make it past the last.
That's a big breaker out there by everything.
He's trying to let it break in front of him. He's doing good. But he needs to paddle hard, man. There's some bad rip tides. Now he's got to paddle like hell. See, he hasn't even been instructed completely yet on what he's got to do.
No, I'll tell you that.
He's doing good though. And the boy is a very strong swimmer. He knows how to steer it. More sense than I have.